Okay, you guys, what your girl has in this ginormous box here, it's a squeaky chair in a big heavy box, is, let me move back a little bit, is a ginormous Beautylish unboxing. So stay tuned to see what's in this box. You guys are gonna love, love, love these goodies.
I've been popping, man, I feel just like a rock star. All my brothers got that gas and they always be smoking like a rock star. When we call up on no and show up, man, them the shot toss. When my homies pull up,
it is great. What's in this box is just super great. It was really heavy and I did have to sign for it, like legit. So, before I start the video, these lights right here have now arrived once again to be put up on my green screen. I have a beautiful green screen that has these beautiful flowers with these real pretty pink curtains, just like a backdrop out of a scene of serenity. And all of my lights, my Diva ring lights, and all of those lights needed to do a proper YouTube video for myself. The second set is here. So they have to be put up tomorrow once again. And then you guys will see a total different scenery for your girl's channel. I'm about to kick it up a notch. Doot doot. So, I did have to sign for this box from Beautylish. Show you guys, if you've never ordered from Beautylish before, when I tell you they package everything legit in, like I don't even want to unpackage it. First, let me tell you guys, if you've never ordered from Beautylish before, when I tell you they package everything legit in the box, like so beautifully, like I don't even want to unpackage it. I'm about to show you guys for real, what it looks like. I'm about to actually take up close footage on my iPhone so I don't have to pull my camera off the tripod to show you guys. So let me actually turn on my phone and I am going to go ahead and record an up close shot of this, and I will include it in this clip after this. It's like I don't even want to touch the sticker. Like I'm afraid to move it because I don't want it to rip. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness, I'm gonna cry, don't rip. And you're like, just rip the darn paper. No. No. Okay, so it has a little bit of rippetry, but your girl can fold it over and she can fix it. So, everyone, da da da. I'm gonna totally put this paper on my wall. I mean, look at this. I mean, look, who folds paper accordion style? Y'all, I would have thrown this mess in the daggone box and been on with my life. You see what I'm saying? So, yeah. You guys, I really don't know what the heck is in this. Everything is packaged so freaking nice. I don't even want to, like, undo this. Okay, so, let me move some of this tissue paper, and I just wanted to show you guys how this stuff is beautifully wrapped, legit. Somebody sat there and freaking tied all of these individual packages. Look at that, yeah, it's savage enough. All right, so let's go on into opening up these beautiful. All right, so now that we've had a little field trip on how the packages come when you get them. So, let me kick on this video some more. So this is one package, and I was showing you this beautiful packaging here, and someone literally ties this stuff, like legit, yeah. I don't know how to smell it for some reason, so I'm going to slip off the packaging. I'm going to slip it off, and somebody actually made a tape. I know y'all I'm petty, but I just wanted to show you guys the craftsmanship, if that's the word. It's a big brown bag. Okay, so everything is wrapped perfectly here. This is bubble wrap from, I don't know what. My kids truly appreciate bubble wrap. This actually is for your nails, girl. on your nails. I can get it up without breaking my damn nails. Alright, so this is Sec Vite. I use this for my nails. I do my own nail. I'll show you guys a tour of my nail system, my nail area at home on another video. However, I do use this. I use gel nail polish because I have the gel light. But I do use Sec Vite to dry my nails when I don't use gel nail polish, just regular like OPI or SE or something. So I love the Sec Vite line that I use for my top coat. It dries brilliantly and so fast, and it leaves your nails extremely shiny for weeks, legit. So they have the Sec Vite. This is the keratin infused cuticle oil. Boom, your girl needed a cuticle oil. Gotta keep your cuties oily. I'll just show it to you real quick because it's the little bottle here of the Sec Vite cuticle oil, and I cannot wait to bust into that. Oh my god, I'm so happy! So this is a new beauty blender, and it is the teal color. Your girl has like 2 beauty blenders. They are dang near shot, so I decided I would give this pretty little teal one, kind of like a Tiffany teal beauty blender, a whirl, and it says just chill. So I've never seen the teal like this before. I'm sure it's out there somewhere. It's in my bag now. Next is powder that has been talked about on YouTube over and over again. I've been debating in the past year to try this stuff because I'm like, no, but I have watched several YouTube videos and big time beauty gurus about this product, so I was like, bump it, I'm just gonna get it and try it. And this is the original RCMA makeup powder. It is the no color powder. It's the setting powder. It is where you can bake your face with this good stuff. RCMA is actually like professional makeup where like, how do I say it? Like they use in the movies, like if they're gonna make you look like you got a black eye or you've been cut open, costume makeup. But it's professional costume makeup, like they legit use the RCMA makeup in the movies for costume, you know, like cuts and bruises and jacked up stuff, the costume makeup. So the RCMA makeup has also been used in when they use for like plays and things like that on Broadway. It's very popular. It's been around for a long time. It is clear. This is the 3 ounce, which is a pretty good size. I was kind of scared of the size. Thought it was going to be like this, but it's actually a lot bigger and it's going to last a whole long time. So it didn't, like I said, it is no color. So this white color can go for all skin and shade complexions. I'm going to go ahead and do a video on baking your face. So some people that are like, you bake your what? You bake your face. Bake your face. So I'm going to go ahead and do a baking your face video to show you guys. So I'm truly excited about this. I honestly don't know what is in this at all. Oh, okay. It's so cute. You know what? I'm going to use this to put my MAC little mouse in because it's the perfect size. What? Alright, I had no idea. This is an Orbi Apress Beach Wave and Shine Spray, and it is a healthy size here, like a travel size, and I'm truly amazed and excited. And they just put it into the bag like that, and you just tie it. What? Right? Next up is by Tweezerman with the glare in your eyeballs. It is a precision folding razor. And it has a little brush at the end here, and then it has the razor here for those precision eyebrows. Yeah. Saying to each their own. However, I am a Jefree Star fan. Okay. His makeup part. I have never once listened to his music. I am a fan of his cosmetics. I am a subscriber of his YouTube channel. I love his channel. Some people don't like him as a person for his music or maybe some things that he said or done way back. But I believe in second chances sometimes, and I love his cosmetics. They are really great cosmetics, and I'm not just saying this because of what I have in my hand or from this box. I promise you I'm not just saying this. It's my personal preference, something that we're all allowed to have. So I just wanted to show you guys this. I wanted to make that little disclosure first. If you guys are unaware of Jefree Star, he is a man that has a cosmetic line and likes to full front for his cosmetics. So yeah. So if you guys don't know any more about Jefree Star, go ahead and Google him. You'll be able to see his whole entire life and his YouTube channel. So I'm not sitting here gonna make a Jefree Star channel or a Jefree Star whole video. I have like everything except for about 10 lipsticks, lippy thingamajiggies, and about 6 of his velour lip scrubs. Other than that, I have like everything that he has come out with so far. So I totally love this guy's makeup. It's great to me. It's my opinion. So I know some people don't like him or like what he stands for or like his whole, you know, persona. But so I am going to show you what's in here. This is the Open Here for Nudes collection. Here you go. And these are like little minis of the colors that he has for his nude collection. And I will definitely be swatching all of this Jefree Star makeup that I have in another video. Right now this is just focused on the beauty. This is Love Me Now. This is huge. I was not even expecting it to be this huge. The next one is like his pink, orange, and red, and there's some nudes there on the end. Yep. So these will be swatched as well on the next video. One of the newer velour lip scrubs that he came out with. This one is, what's this one called? This one is Pancakes and Syrup. You put it on your lips and you rub it around and you can eat it. And it tastes like whatever it says. So this one tastes like pancakes and syrup, you guys. It gets all the dead skin off your lips. So I don't know if you want to eat your dead skin and this or what. However you want to cut the cake, you're not gonna die if you like ingest some of this. And it's really good stuff. It will help your lips feel more like moisturized and your lips to stay just beautifully. So this is one of the new one. I know he came out with several. So this is just one. This one in here. Alright, so this is the Platinum Ice Jefree Star Cosmetics Skin Frost Pro Palette. Yes. So I'm going to go ahead and open it here. Another one of these. It's geared more towards gold, and my skin tone is very, very light. So I thought if I put the gold on my face, then I would look like Bozo the Clown. So I kind of stuck with these silvers here. Kind of like some neutral and light colors to stay more towards my skin shade. So, and then whatever I think is too dark, I'm definitely going to use it as a eyeshadow. So yeah. And last but not least is the new, it's the newest palette that he has. It sold out so quick. And then as soon as they emailed me and was like, it's coming back in. Your girl is literally like stalking the site, yo. Alright, so then last but not least is the new palette, the Blood Sugar palette. And it has the red, it's got the red star. And then I love, camera just went dark. And then I love the freaking casing. I just smelt it, it's freaking, it smells like leather. And it does like a little briefcase. It has these flip up thingies right here. And then here is the freaking palette. Oh my goodness. I cannot wait to stick my fingers in this freaking palette, you guys. I cannot freaking wait. Amazing. So yeah. So that is the haul and unboxing from Beautylish and Jefree Star. And Jefree Star. I will be doing, like I said, a complete video just based up on the swatching of all of the Jefree Star products that I have gotten in this box. So you guys stay tuned for that video. If you're not a subscriber, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below. As I said earlier in the video, your girl is trying to get her screen together. These lights will be put up. First they were up, then they were down, then they're up, they were down. So they're going to be up tomorrow. So I'm so excited. Wait till you guys see my studio. I'm going to to give you guys a backstage pass to my new studio. I am so sick of filming in front of this red sheet. Yes, it's a red sheet that is in front of this window. Trying to get some natural light during the day and it's not working. So I have all these professional limo lights for the studio. So yeah, so you guys just stay tuned for that. I cannot wait to give you guys a freaking tour. I'm so excited. Always enjoy the rest of your week. Today is Thursday for us. And enjoy your weekend. Stay blessed. And I will see you guys later. Bye.
I've been popping, man, I feel just like a rock star.